afternoon. You're watching buy or sell. Let's move on. Let's stay with the earnings theme. Let's pull up Om Metals Infra. The numbers came out post-market hours yesterday, and the numbers have been better than expectations. As a matter of fact, if you look at their top line for the fourth quarter, it's actually grown by about 46%. Their PAT has actually been slightly sluggish. It's actually down about 12.5% on a year-to-year basis. Let's pull up and see where the stock is right now. These days you tend to see an immediate reaction on the stock. It's actually up 1.5%, but still gaining a little bit as far as trade is concerned. Let's bring in the management. Mr. Vikas Kothari joins us, Director Business Development, joining us now from Mumbai. Vikas, hi, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us on Profit. Let's talk about Q4. There seems to be a substantial contribution from the infrastructure division. Can you talk about the quarter? I see there's a bit of a jump as far as the expense side is concerned. Input cost pressures, you would say?
Not really. In fact, the reason is the last quarter we did a lot of capital investment in plant and machinery. We bought a lot of equipment for construction of our dam project and our road project. So because of all that investment, and also we did a bit of progress in our road construction and our dam construction project. So that's actually had effect on both the substantial increase in the top line as well as the little decline in the bottom line. But going forward, of course, this is only going to get better because the first quarter, because of the capex that we had in the first quarter.
Okay, then let's get a breakup of what's been happening in various verticals. For instance, talk us through how the infrastructure vertical is doing. What is the current order book? I believe you have two road projects right now in your kitty. What's the status on that? And of course, real estate as well.
See, our core business has always been engineering construction, and that's what our biggest contributor to the top line is also, engineering construction business. And essentially here what we do is the EPC contracts for hydropower and irrigation projects, and we've also added dam civil construction, and we've added road project also, where we've backed a BOT project. So essentially our EPC for road construction is covering only our BOT, our own BOT project. So real estate, which was our other contributor to the top line, last year we did nearly 20-25 crores of revenue from that. This year there has been no project which added any revenue, so there has been a decline in real estate revenues, which is anyway not our core business. Going forward, engineering will again be a biggest contributor in FY 12 and 13, and 12-13 will also see real estate contributing significantly. So there has been a growth in engineering business, as well as there will be a significant growth in our real estate revenues also for 12 and 13.
Okay, staying on with the engineering theme, BOT projects, I believe you have two BOT projects right now. Are you bidding for more? Can we expect some new projects coming into your kitty soon?
Yeah, we have two BOT projects. One is the Pondicherry Port. We are expecting to get clearances, all the required clearances in Pondicherry Port very soon. So, of course, that will start construction as well. And then the road BOT project. Going forward, our focus will always be on infrastructure BOT projects. So yes, of course, you will be seeing additional order book as well as additional projects on BOT space. At the same time, our engineering construction EPC order book is also growing. We've added significant amount of orders this fiscal year, and going forward we bid for a lot of projects, so that will also get added to our order book.
You know, a couple of months ago, you had sent out a clarification after news, after speculation, I should say, that you're looking to acquire a company in the hydropower space. You had issued a notice on BSE saying that yes, you're in talks, but it's too early to talk about it. Is it still too early to talk about it, or have you seen some traction on that?
No, it is still too early to talk about it. As I said, that we have been looking for opportunities, both organic and inorganic growth opportunities. Organically, we are already growing. We've added huge plant and machinery, and we've started doing civil construction works. Inorganic growth will only depend on the opportunity. So, we are very particular in what we choose to acquire. We will not just be doing any acquisition if it doesn't make any sense. Even if there is any small issue, we will not do it. So, we are still on a lookout, and we will be on a lookout unless we find the right opportunity.
All right, because we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate your time. Congratulations. Good luck for your growth plans going forward. Let me quickly welcome in our which are lined up over the next few minutes or so. We'll be back after this short.